Let me start with an uncomfortable observation. Most people don't feel poor because they earn too little. They feel poor because every raise quietly disappears. Nothing dramatic happens. No bad decision, no single mistake. Life just gets upgraded. A slightly better apartment, a newer car, more normal spending. And somehow, the bank balance stays the same. Let's make this concrete. Imagine a young professional in the United States or Western Europe, late 20s, educated, doing reasonably well. They earn $75,000 a year in the U.S. After federal, state, payroll taxes, they take home roughly $4,400 a month. In Europe, it might be 60,000 euros gross, around 3,200 euros net monthly. Different systems, same outcome. A limited monthly reality. Now look at where the money goes. Rent for a decent one-bedroom near work, $1,600. Utilities, internet, phone, $250. A car payment or lease, $450. Insurance, fuel, maintenance, $250. Student loans, $300. Credit card minimums from past manageable purchases, $200. Groceries, eating out, subscriptions, clothes, small treats that feel earned, $800. We haven't added luxury, we haven't added vacations, we haven't added emergencies. We're already at $3,850. That leaves $550 from a salary that many people would call successful. This is where lifestyle inflation lives, not in extravagance, in normalization. Every increase in income quietly redefines what feels reasonable. A $1,200 apartment felt fine after college. At $75,000, $1,600 feels responsible. A used car once worked. Now, reliability justifies a $450 payment. None of this feels reckless. That's the danger. The hidden mistake isn't spending. It's assuming income growth automatically creates financial progress. It doesn't. Here's the math people rarely do. That $450 car payment isn't just $450. Over 5 years, it's $27,000. If that money were invested conservatively, say 6% annually, it could grow to over $40,000 in 10 years. That $400 monthly lifestyle upgrade? That's not comfort. That's delayed freedom. But numbers alone don't explain why this keeps happening. The real driver is psychological. Humans anchor their self-worth to their peer group, not to their past. When everyone around you upgrades, staying the same feels like falling behind. Social media accelerates this. You don't see balance sheets. You see kitchens, trips, cars, and smiles. So people optimize for appearance stability, not financial stability. There's also a deeper belief at play. Future me will handle it. Future me will earn more. Future me will invest later. Future me will fix today's decisions. But future you inherits your commitments, not your intentions. Ignore lifestyle inflation long enough and something subtle happens. Your savings rate stays low even as income rises. Your tolerance for financial discomfort disappears. Your expenses become rigid. So when life does what it always does, job changes, health issues, family needs, there's no margin. Not because you failed, but because flexibility was traded for comfort too early. Now, here's the quiet shift financially intelligent people make. They don't ask, can I afford this now? They ask, what does this lock me into? They treat raises as leverage, not permission. When income rises, they mentally allocate it before lifestyle has a chance to claim it. Not to punish themselves, not to chase early retirement fantasies, but to preserve optionality. They still enjoy life. They still upgrade, slowly, intentionally, asymmetrically. Some expenses stay modest forever, so others can grow without stress. That's the difference. Lifestyle inflation isn't a moral failure, it's a default setting. Once you see it, you don't panic, you don't feel guilty. You simply become harder to manipulate by ads, peers, and your own assumptions. And that awareness alone quietly compounds. If this kind of calm, numbers-based thinking helps you see money more clearly, consider subscribing to the channel.